Dear students, today in 9th standard maths, we are going to see chapter 5, coordinate geometry. Under this chapter, we are going to understand the Cartesian coordinate system. I am going to explain how to plot your points in Cartesian coordinate plane. For that, you should use your graph sheet. Yes, draw a line x-axis and the y-axis. And here this point is a origin of the given plane. So this we can represent as 0, 0. And the positive side and the negative side, positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and negative -1, -2, -3, -4. This all will come under the x origin. And coming to the y origin, so 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a positive, and under that you should start here with your minus sign, -1, -2, -3, -4, like that it will go on. For any point on the x-axis, the value of the y coordinate is 0. That is x, 0. This we can represent as a origin 0, 0. Now, how to find out the quadrant? Positive and positive. That is plus and plus is your first quadrant. Minus and plus is your second quadrant. Minus and minus, that is a negative and negative, will come under the third quadrant. Positive and the negative is a fourth quadrant. So in a pair, for example, 5, 4, both are positive. So in a pair, this is a x and this will y. In a pair, the first number will come under the x coordinate and next number will come under the y coordinate. Okay, I'll give an example how to plot a point. For example, I given here 4, 5. The first step, you should draw the x-axis and the y-axis and mark your origin and the positive number and the negative number. Here, positive and positive. Sure, this pair will come under the first quadrant. So I told in a pair, the 4 will come under the x origin and 5 will come under the y coordinate. So here, 4 and 5, here you have to keep a point and you should maintain 4, right here 4, 5. Student, one more example I give as 2, 5. So in a pair x and y, so 2 is a positive and positive. So 2 and 5. 2, 5. Then you can join the line. Let's try the exercise sums in the graph note. Here in exercise 5.1 question number 2, write down the abscissa and the ordinate of the following from the figure 5 points level. Here given one figure, you are going to find out the pair of the given point. Here subdivision 1, P is given. Okay, I told first you should write the x-axis and then we go for the y coordinate. Here the x coordinate is -4, and the y coordinate is +4. And coming to Q, S is a first quadrant, both are positive, and here the x origin is 3, and here in the y origin is 3. And next one, x is 4, the R, and y is -2. And coming to next point, yes, x is first you should write the x and then we get to go with the y. So x is -5 and the y is 3. Is it clear, student? Let's try the first sum in this exercise. Plot the following points in the coordinate system. and identify the quadrant. Here in this sum, we have to plot the point and as well as you have to write which quadrant the pair will come on. Okay. Now, draw a x-axis, x dash, y dash, and origin, positive number, negative number, here the positive and here the negative. In the given question, first they given the P as subdivision 1, question number 1, subdivision 1, that is P as minus 7 comma 6, and Q is given as 7 comma minus 2, R is given as minus 6 comma minus 7, S 3 comma 5, and T 3 comma 9. Okay. Now let's try to plot the point. First is given as minus 7 and 6. In the pair, x is minus 7 and the y is 6. So negative and the positive. X minus 7 and y is 6. So P, plot the point P and write minus 7 comma 6. And which quadrant this is? It will come second quadrant. You should write here. Understand, student? Let's try next one. Minus 6 and minus 7. Yes, minus and minus 6. Here in the x it is a minus 6 and minus 7 is given here. Yes, here. So minus 6 comma minus 7, and this is a third quadrant. Next one, 7 comma minus 2, positive 7 and minus 2 here. X is 7 and y is minus 2. 7 comma minus 2, and this one is a fourth quadrant. This type will come under fourth quadrant. And next one, 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. Here it is a yes, and it will come as a first quadrant. I think so you are clear how to plot the point, is it? And then you have to join a point with the plane. Yes, ma? Let's try one more sum, question number 3, which is given in page number 193. Plot the following points in a coordinate plane and join them. Okay, what is your conclusion about the resulting figure? Yes, question number 3, first subdivision, minus 5 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 3, and 5 comma 3. Yes, first step we have to plot the points and then we have to join them. Then we will write the conclusion about the given sum. First one, first pair, minus 5 comma 3, x and y. X is here in 5, minus 5 will come under x axis and 3 will come under y axis. So minus 5, this is the x dash, y dash, origin, write the positive number, negative number, then we can go for the sum, minus 5 comma 3, minus 5 comma 3. Now coming to the next one, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3. Next is here 0 comma 3, which lies on the origin. Is the third pair is given as 0 comma 3. It lies on the origin 0, 3, and next one is a 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Now you have to join this line. So how to join the line? By using a scale, you please join the first pair which starts from minus 5, 3, and the next one minus 1, 3, and 0, 3, and 5, 3. Now the conclusion is the straight line parallel to x-axis. Straight line parallel to x-axis. Let's try the next sum in the same question. What is the pair is given there? 0, minus 4, and the next pair 0, minus 2, and 0, 4, and 0, 5. That is the origin. Yes, the straight line which lie on the y-axis. It is 0, minus 4, 0, minus 2, 0, 4, and 0, 5, and join the line. And the conclusion, you have to write straight line which lie on y-axis. So, coming to question number 4, plot the following points in the coordinate plane and join them in order which type the geometrical shape is formed. The first subdivision is given as 0, 0, minus 4, 0, minus 4, minus 4, sorry, plus 4, minus 4, minus 4, and 0, minus 4. Second subdivision, minus 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 6, minus 1, and 5, minus 1. Yes, students. Yes, let's try the sum in the graph note. Question number 4, subdivision 1 is first point, plot the point is 0, 0. Okay. Next one is minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0. Next one minus 4, minus 4. And next one which given in the question is 0, minus 4. Yes, students. Now you have to join the point and we have to identify the geometrical shape. Yes, I joined the given points in the plane, coordinate plane. Now the shape is square. Let's try one more sum in the same sum. Question number 4, subdivision 2. Now what is the point given there? Minus 3, 3. Okay. Minus 3, 3. Next one, 2, 3. 2, 3. And next one, minus 6, minus 1. Minus 6, minus 1. Minus 6, minus 1. Next, 5, minus 1. 5, minus 1. 5, minus 1. Once again, I will explain this sum. First pair is given as minus 3, 3. X is minus 3 and next one is y as here 3. So, minus 3, 3. And next one 2, 3. And then minus 6, minus 1. And next one is here 5 is a x and minus 1. Now you have to join the points so that after joining the points, you will get the shape as trapezium. I think so you are clear with exercise 5.1. So kindly do the sum in the graph note. You have to use only the scale and pencil to draw the x-axis, y-axis, and to plot the points, whatever may be. Try to complete the exercise sums in the graph note and submit the graph note for correction. Thank you, students.